I'm Akinwale Grace Anulapo. I'm currently learning digital marketing at DMZ KAM. It's really been a wonderful experience having to learn digital marketing for free at no cost. I've learned a lot of concepts like social media marketing. I've learned about search engine optimization. I've learned how to reach out to my target audience using social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, etc. It's really been an interesting experience. I want to say a very big thank you to all the facilitators for putting this together, for giving us this great opportunity to learn different courses at a no fee cost. Thank you. God bless you.